It all starts with a lead. We calculate the price, make an offer, follow up, and it becomes a deal. That is where an order appears. We fill it with info, create jobs, plan them, work them, and the order is done. We hand it out, and a bit later we collect feedback. Now we need to pay bills, purchase materials, and spare parts, repair this printer, and maintain that one. Okay, we need help now, so we onboard new team members and put them to work. I would like to change this a bit. Let's see how. Got it. We've got more leads, more deals, and more orders coming in. That one needs special paint. And this one can use that. And that is under NDA. More printers, more repairs, more procurements. Where are those parts? How is printing going? Let's move that here. When is this model ready? Okay, we need more help. And we definitely need SOPs now. Good. Quick look at our material usage. We should buy this in bulk. Now, let's see what we've spent and what we've made. We probably should pay more attention to this source and target that audience more. And for that, we will need more hands. Looks like we've got everything covered with 3dpboss.